like I can throw.
It's on a Sunday too.
Cody!
Up yonder.
In the woods, bitch.
Bye.
You hear that thing smack and go?
Bye, Cousin Carl.
I guess I'll see y'all down there. Take back in.
Hey,
safe.
I'm good. I'm good.
You're safe. When that thing hit that pavement, it
If it wouldn't have hit that
5 foot in the air.
There you go, Mr.
Oh my gosh.
Green. Well, never mind. I guess we're going for mine.
I guess we're throwing from hers.
The only one in. If it wouldn't hit that, it would have been out over
That wind is.
Oh, come on, don't start that.
Once we get in the woods,
This
it'll be
might
alright.
give us an advantage.
An advantage. What kind?
Like this.
Oh, yeah. His is out too.
Wind's strong.
That kind of stuff.
Shit to his own.
Oh, he sidearms. Look at that. That's beautiful. I wish I could throw like that.
Shot.
What person?
Jesus Christ.
Where did that go?
In the woods. And not the basket.
Come out. Come out.
Oh no, it didn't. Did it?
It's yours and inbound. Nope. Yep. Done the same thing, Mike? Come out.
Just leave it on. I cannot do that. If I tried, it would go straight up in the air and straight down.
Oh,
That's beautiful.
Once I could throw it.
And like, it's gonna be like a hazard. It's gonna come down like an NEA.
What the hay barrels?
Made the man know.
Wait, you could. It's gonna come down.
You're trying to let God see
Hit
your...
something. Hit something. Good tree.
So it's supposed to fade back to the right.
Yeah, it'll go right, but it'll probably end up going left.
Yeah.
Every time.
Oh, I did have it.
Beautiful.
Around that corner. Oh,
Tree.
you should have.
It was
I
beautiful.
think it went around the corner. Oh, and also the
That was a good layup.
Mr. Tree Monster.
I hit a tree.
Get it. Good putt.
Yeah. Good putt.
That's what's helped me this week is watching Coleman putts. Because I can't do none of what.
That's so cool.
Turn.
You're in the middle.
I'm probably 80 past it. That's good.
Ooh, tree.
Me.
Oh.
What I want to do is get a drone out here and get all these.
out, babe. Well,
Kick her.
it was.
It's good. Sneaky, get in the hole. Get in the hole. Wow.
Good shot.
It's completely like empty up there.
Oh, man.
Same thing I did.
Good line.
Who's this? Is that?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Good line.
The screw one.
Yep, that's pretty too.
Hit a tree.
Hit that tree. That's a good tree to hit.
That's like the same spot you threw last time. Yeah.
Oh, tree. Nope. Oh, I don't know where that's
I
at.
think that's where I threw last time, wasn't it?
Oh, that's good, Jake.
As long as it went past the trees.
Done that last time too.
Really?
Oh, that was good. Right between the two trees. Better than mine.
Probably overstay it. 303. It's like a rider. The Streamline MVP, or they just Streamline?
MVP. Yeah.
I think they're
Yeah, they're the same.
made by the same people. Oh no.
Good tree.
Landed it right there at the basket.
No. Sit.
Go right. Oh, I barely missed that one.
Good tree.
Oh, you parked it.
I ain't even gonna throw. Feel like, okay, there's my throw.
I moved out of the way.
What disc is that?
Cayman.
Cane? Oh yeah.
Crocodile.
What's off of it?
Oh, sure. There you go.
I don't see how that was supposed to be placement when you're trying to run it.
That was a putter shot. Good tree.
Came out way early. Good.
Straight at the middle. That'll play from there.
Other.
Just keep an eye on it this time.
It's good.
Okay, that one's set down. See? That's, yeah.
That'll work.
You had to hit a tree.
There you go, Billy.
There you go.
Just throw it up.
I was chasing it.
Oh. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Oh, turn. Turn. Not that way. It turned the wrong way.
Too much height.
Don't hit that guy.
Well, they know him, so it'll be alright.
What are you doing?
Grip lock.
Maybe take it.
Really?
Huh, at least we can go get that.
Gonna go right in the
Oh.
Oh, it's cutting back. It is cutting back.
Boom.
That's good throw, Jake.
It's too high.
Good one. Go ahead.
He's only went 100.
Hi. At least I'm not up there.
In the woods.
Why you go barefoot?
Jake moves to the other side. Good shot, good shot.
Ooh. Awesome.
There's my raider right there.
that what just fell earlier? God, I hope not.
What tree are we talking about?
You want to see that?
Where you said that was on the court. Nice. I don't know wind. Did the wind do that?
Yep, sure did.
Hey, it's a roller. Moving on. You didn't hit the tree. Ooh, good run.
Probably the best. Oh, against you.
That's
The way it was looking, it'd have been close. Hit a tree.
In the water.
Good shot. Good shot.
That's good. That's a good place.
At least it ain't rolling down
Like ours will.
like ours did. Oh no, I'm gonna try to throw it past the basket. Same position we was in last time.
I think I'm gonna throw my roots again.
It didn't roll.
I know, that's why I'm gonna throw it.
The rules change so much.
To her.
Ooh.
Not where everybody else went.
I guess the flip